The Chorale tours every year, and every 4 years we take an international trip. And we really want each student in Chorale to have the opportunity to travel abroad once during their 4 years here. And for next year, we have the opportunity to go to Salzburg, Vienna, and Prague.
I've only been on an airplane once before.
I've never traveled outside the United States.
One of the reasons I actually came to a liberal arts college was to get a better understanding of different people's cultures and different types of art, even though it's outside of my major. And this trip just wraps it all up into one.
I think that it's, like I said, another way to study abroad. It's not the full semester kind of aspect of it, but it's kind of just like a short-term trip where you go to different places, you study the history of those places, and you just get a better global understanding.
When we go on tours every year, it's always a really special experience, but there's something about the international tours that are particularly magical and can really be life-changing experiences for the students. They frequently say that some of their favorite experiences, maybe the best thing they've done while they were at Monmouth College, was going on a trip internationally with Chorale.